Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC. Our today's topic is custom clearance in UAE. I have uploaded a video on this topic before, but today I will discuss in detail. This video will help you if you are new to import-export in UAE and will clear all your doubts. There are many things to consider when it comes United Arab Emirates. The custom clearance procedure can be often difficult to understand. So in this video, our focus is to tell you everything you need to know. This article covers important topics like import-export code, FTA TRN linking, import-export procedure, clearance document prerequisites, and some important custom laws in UAE. First of all, we will talk about what is custom clearance. Custom clearance is the process of moving item through the custom authorities in order to facilitate cargo movement or in out of the country. The whole process of custom clearance includes identification and control at airports, seaports and border crossing to ensure that national, international vehicles and other cargo being imported and exported are not illegally imported and exported. Through this process, it is confirmed that all tariffs have been paid and that all goods have been approved for export. It also includes obtaining import and export permits, also known as custom clearance documentation or declaration, to allow you to enter or leave a country or territory. Customs department are government's official authority for enforcing import and export rule, collecting custom duties and facilitating people, goods and freight movement in and out of the country. The purpose of custom clearance is to verify and inspect the cargo being imported and exported as well as any other item that may be going through this vital process. In short, it is the act of determining if shipment is legal and fit to be received by intended recipient. It is also an important part of any shipping process as it is allowed for timely delivery of goods. After knowing about custom clearance, we will discuss about who is custom broker. Custom broker is a firm who will assist you about clearing your shipment because handling cargo is not an easy task, so you need the help of professionals for importing and exporting goods. First thing you need is importer and exporter code, which is also known as IEC. The importer and exporter code is issued by appropriate custom department in UAE. It is needed to import and export goods to and from a foreign country into UAE. A company that holds a valid trade license granted by UAE licensing body and engage in such trade activity can apply for UAE importer and exporter code. Required document: to apply for a custom code in Dubai, you will need a copy of trade license, a copy of visa, passport and copy of Emirates ID of the owner. What are the documents needed for custom clearance in UAE? International trade requires accurate and full paperwork that fits the understand and rule established by both the origin and destination countries. It is critical to have detailed information about your shipment, business and why it is being shipped. Your shipping paperwork has an impact on your fate of your goods, and if it is not complete correctly, your shipment may be delayed or held at customs. The required documents are given below: bill of lading, invoice on shipper's letterhead with stamp and signature, the packing list on shipper's letterhead with stamp and signature, certificate of origin, phytosanitary food related, health certificate, it is food related document. Our next topic is how to link FTA with Dubai Customs. To collect VAT on items imported into the UAE, the Federal Tax Authority and the UAE Custom Departments operate together. In order to clear imported goods, all VAT registration businesses have to provide tax registration number to the Custom Department. If the tax registration number in the system is updated and found to be valid, the Custom Department will allow businesses to clear import goods without paying VAT at custom. If TRN is updated, found to be valid, you can link your TRN with Dubai Custom by visiting dubaitrade.ae. Enter your login information, select DP World VAT profile from the user management menu. On the display page, complete necessary VAT information, click on submit. Wait for the confirmation message from Dubai Customs. Once you have completed the process, custom duties and taxes are calculated using the CIF value. The UAE has agreed to the GCC common tariff, which is compromise customs taxes of 5% of the CIF value of the majority of commodities. Once you link your VAT with Dubai Customs, you can save your 5% tax, but 5% custom duty is must to pay. Without it, you cannot clear your shipment. I hope all your doubts and confusion will be clear in this video. We, Express Fairway Freight, are specialized in all above service and give you all services without any hurdles. Please like this video and share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any kind of questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.